How to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run. In Run, type devmgmt.msc. Click on Enter or click on OK. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Keyboards. Expand Keyboards and click on HID keyboard device. Simply right-click on it and then click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. As you can see, Best Drivers has been installed. If not, it will be installed. Again, click on second option. Do the same with this as well. After that, you're good to go. That's how to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.